All right, doing a little update here on the old ex24 or ex4, whatever, Weber smoke fire. So I replaced these hangers here not too long ago, probably about 3-4 months ago. Both sides, basically, these are gonna rust out too. They need to come up with a better idea than this. This is just really pot metal or thin metal steel. It's not gonna hold up. So this thing, this is almost 3 full seasons on it. I'm in my 3rd season. I put several bags of pellets in it, so I've used it quite a bit. Totally replaced my grill, so I'm doing more than just smoking with it. As you can see now, I'm replacing the fire pot. The original one here, you can see it basically rusts right through it. And I couldn't figure out what was going on, or why I had a heck of a time keep getting like up the maximum temp. It would never get there. It seemed like it would go up to, like, say, spike at 400 or 550 or 500, sorry, and then it would continually drop, well, because all the pellets were going through these holes. So I basically found some of this material here, galvanized material, and I threw in there, and something like that, and it started to work much better. So I reached out to whoever bought this hole, and they updated with the 2 tune pieces here. And one thing they did change, it's still steel, it's not stainless, but it's a little thicker gauge. Thickness slides a little thicker, and this piece here is a little thicker, the gauge steel, so it should last a little longer. Here's the slide, so this is a little thicker, but like I say, it's still steel. It's not galvanized, or it's not stainless. So it just goes like that, and pretty simple. But that's about all I'm doing today. So hopefully this looks a little better, I guess. Anyway,